LUMI's manufacturing ability is second to none. Factory space nearing 900,000 square feet, highly skilled workers, in-house tool and die, advanced metal forming and stamping allows LUMI to achieve production capacity of nearly 10 million units a year, while always offering our customers the best prices, best quality, and ultimately the best value. Automation, including robotic welding and automatic powder coating, provides precision to the manufacturing process, resulting in proven consistent product quality. Personal attention is given to every detail, from quality control to final assembly and packaging, reinforcing the ultimate goal of having a product that provides the end user with an exceptional experience when they open the box.